Now let us create a menu list. Like whenever we press it, we are having like this list we will be creating for our output also. So here we have created an object which holds the menu name. So now we should have to create one more object which holds these values, this list. So let us first say create a list. Let us say list1 and of menu. So we have created an object which calls list1. Now we will be adding a list. To add a list, there is like list1 dot add command. So we are adding. So this is just names and these are called as commands. Now we are adding the commands. So for commands, let us say label is equal to what is here. We will be creating the same thing. New file open. Okay, first new file. Let us say new file. Press enter. List1 dot add command and let us add one more. Label is equal to open file. Let us add one more. List1 dot, like this we can add as many as required. Command label is equal to save file. Let us consider these three only. Now this list1 consists of these commands, these three commands. Now we will be adding to the label file here. So here we can pass one more thing like comma menu is equal to list1. So what we are doing when we are cascading, we are giving the title file and getting all the commands inside the list1 and storing it into the file1 file. So now let us run it first. Okay, see, now we got this one. This doesn't work. Now let us see whether our file works. See here, new file, open file and save file. All these three are added. Like this we can add to this format and edit also. So let me add to the second one. Same thing we should have to do. So what we can create now list, let us say 2. Same thing is equal to, first we should have to create a object and now dot add command and inside that label is equal to, so for the edit what should be there, undo redo. We will add to undo and redo. Let us say undo and list2 dot command label is equal to redo. So now we have created these commands and stored it in the object. Now here we will write menu is equal to list 2. Save it, run it. See here, first one, second one, automatically it is displayed. So like this, as per your requirement, you can add all the menu list to the menu items. Hope you understood how to do it. Keep practicing. Add to this format run also and add some more list and practice. Until then, I'll be seeing you in the next video.